Hey yarn friends, today I'm going to show you how to tie a slip knot. It's the very first step in both knitting and crocheting. This knot is super easy and super important. It helps you get started on your project the right way. Ready? Let's jump in and learn it together. For the first one, we're going to make a small loop and then a larger loop outside of it. Hold the ends together and pull. With 2 fingers, grab the yarn and make a loop. Grab the tail and pull. This next one is with a crochet hook. Yarn over twice, put the bottom loop over the top loop, yarn over again, put the bottom loop over the top loop, and there you go. If you crochet and knit, this one should be really easy for you. Cast on 2 stitches onto your crochet hook, put the bottom loop over the top loop, and pull. And that's how you tie a slip knot, the perfect way to start any crochet or knitting project. Practice it a few times and you'll be off to a great start every time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more yarn tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and happy stitching!